every time I try to record a video, like like something disturb the friend of mine. They play music outside, or someone come to visit, or I'm busy to do something, or not in the mood to do anything. But I guess like today I need to do it no matter what, because I miss more than maybe around a month since I bought the flight ticket back to Cambodia, and yeah, and I sent everything. So only now, only my camera and tripod. I don't have anything like lighting or green screen or some kind of that. I don't have it anymore, and even light is, yeah, I have it fine, and yeah, only that I guess I just keep it. I remind some kind like the last time I was share with you about the greeting in Cambodia, like when you meeting, and actually like the greeting I was share with you, like just the greeting that worldwide the daily English user they use that greeting. But turns out actually in Cambodia daily life we don't ask that question. We do that, but only the official, some kind like in the city, or the like the official language we use that actually. But in the daily life in the countryside, or when you go to countryside and you meet someone, they don't normally use the same language or the same greeting, and like what I share with you, or let's say I take you, yeah. And the some greeting I want to share with you, like mostly we in daily English user we normally use how are you, or hello, how are you, or some kind like that, right? But in Cambodia we don't. We can say hello, but and then mostly we ask someone depend on the time when we meet, and if about the time they have lunch, did you have lunch? We ask that question. It's the time after lunch. We know like lunch time in Cambodia around 11 to 12, or 11 and 12, 2 hours, right? And if you ask someone before around 11 or around 11 o'clock, you can ask, did you have lunch? What do you have for lunch today, or some kind of that? Do you make a lunch, or what do you have for lunch? And after lunch, after 1 o'clock, 1 p.m., you can ask, did you have lunch? What do you have? Yeah, something like that. Around the time, we don't ask how are you, and you meet someone, how are you, how are you? I never ask someone how are you in Cambodia actually. And yeah, the one more thing, like yeah, at the evening, no, I don't say Sub Ban Lao. We can say Sub Ban Lao, good dream, but mostly now like we use all good night. Everyone knew that, some kind like the Khmer language, you can say good night, everyone know that. And including in my mom, I guess, because she speak Khmer, she don't read, can't write or read Khmer, because she was born during the Khmer rule, so she can't go to school. So now she can't read or can't write. I guess I can be with her, and I can, yeah, when she want to read something, I guess I can read that sentence or that book for her listening. I guess I wish that, yeah, just 1 month later I will back in Cambodia. And yeah, I just want to say, like when someone you watch this video and you plan to visit in Cambodia and you don't have any friend, or you want to practice, or you want to see. Yeah, I just back in Cambodia. I don't have plan to go to work. I have a small job in my house, so I have time for meet everybody. And you arrive Cambodia, you just contact me and you tell me like when you arrive, and just let me know first, and we can meet. And yeah, my house near the city, not much near, maybe 1 hour from the city, so I can to pick you up on the airport, or you can, yeah, I can help you translate. I try my best to translate. And yeah, I hope that help. And yeah, remember that we don't use the same language in English. When we don't use the same language in English, when you ask someone, when you meet someone about greeting, and you just say Tuesday. Someone, when you see someone ride bicycle, you ask where did you go? You don't know. How are you? That doesn't make sense, right? They ride bicycle. You ask them how are you, and doesn't make sense. And remember one thing, like yeah, after you ask before time, before lunch, you ask about what do you have for lunch and something like that. And you ask the time after lunch, ask them, did you have lunch, who do you did with, or something like that, around that. Actually, we don't ask how are you, actually. And that daily Cambodia language we use. Mostly we ask what are you doing, and what are you doing, ta nèកំពុងធ្វើអ្វី, and where are you going, ta nèទៅណា, and what do you have for lunch, ta nè បានអ្វីញ៉ាំបាយថ្ងៃត្រង់. You don't need to say ថ្ងៃត្រង់. Lunch they translate to ថ្ងៃត្រង់, but in Cambodia what do you have for lunch, we just translate តើអ្នកបានអ្វីញ៉ាំបាយ. ញ៉ាំបាយ that mean eat right, only eat right. But the question when they ask, we give the meaning depend on time. When around lunch time, we translate lunch time. Dinner, we translate to dinner, something like that. Yeah, I hope that help. And yeah, I don't eat it, sorry about that. And yeah, I just share with you. I hope that help. And see you and take care.